Hey everyone, Terry is here. I hope everyone's doing well. This video will serve as a small demonstration to one of the new Winged features, specifically the template messages. Template messages are basically like format messages that service can set, and users slash staff members can utilize the template messages system to easily copy paste the format messages. Like for example, instead of going to the staff guide and extracting the uh, ranking messages or from there, you can just run a command like so. You can also specify to which message the bot should reply to. This is optional. You can choose a template. I'm gonna choose the build the rank template. Keep in mind these templates were already set by the server. There are some variables to have to fill in. A variable is basically a piece of information that is stored by the bot or given by the bot. So who is this for? Taylor. What's the interior rank? I'm gonna just say skilled. And exterior, I'm gonna just say skilled. I can, after you have filled out the variables, you can click on send message, and the bot will reply the message that you can copy paste into the channel. If you're on PC, you can copy paste using the code block. This system works best for tags that have information that the user should fill in, as it speeds up the process of copy pasting. To set up the template messages system, start by running /setup command or the /modify command. They're the same. Head over to the template messages settings. From here, you can either browse through the collection of template messages that have been already made by Winged. This can help you better understand the system, but you can also create your own template messages, which we'll be going over in a second. You can manage who can use the template messages over here. And this is a small help guide explaining some of the key details of the system. Head over to variables. You can view the full list of built-in variables, and you can also create your own variables, either text, number, row picker, user picker, or channel picker. We'll be going over this in a second. Heading over, let's enable this system. Let's create a new template. Now for this one, we'll be using a ranking template from a server that uses Winged called Bloxburg Builders HQ. So thanks to them for letting us use this template. I'm just gonna paste it here. I'm gonna name the template the builder ranking. We're just gonna give it a random description. From here, these are just some of the 52 built-in templates that you can use, which were showcased just a minute ago. Over here, I'm just gonna create a new custom template called user picker. This will let us pick a specific user that this message is for. I'm also gonna specify rank picker, which will let us pick a row to ping. Over here, the author user is the one running the command, so the bot will mention the one running the command if you paste it over here. Same as the username, except it will mention the usernames. There's a server name, member count, channel name that the command is being ran in, and the channel mention. There's date, time, and timestamp in timestamp. Let's create the template. Over here you can see that the custom variables are user picker and rank picker. So I'm just gonna copy those. I'm gonna go back. I'm gonna go to variables. I'm gonna create a new variable. I'm gonna create a new user picker variable. I'm just gonna paste it here, and I'm gonna ask the user, who is this for? I'm gonna also create a rank picker variable as a row picker. I'm gonna ask what's the rank they're being ranked. You can see in how many templates the variables are being used in. Right now it's just one, which is the template we just created. Let's go back to the template we just created. Over here you can also set who can use this template. You can also enable disable embed, and of course customize the embed. For now, let's keep the embed disabled. You can also customize the content if needed. Now to use this template, simply use template list to view all the templates that you can use, and then use template use. Select the template. This is the user picker custom variable that we just picked. What's the rank? Let's just set a random rank, and voila, it replaces the variables with the information we just gave the bot. And if we enable embed and reuse the command, this time I'm gonna make the bot reply to this message. Same user, different rank. The bot will reply with the embed. Of course, if we disable, the bot will reply with the regular message. And that's basically it. Little tip for the built-in variables: an author is the one running the command. So author user will mention the one running the command. Author ID will specify the ID of the one running the command, etc. These are the server information, time, and the custom variables, as well as some channel variables. A more detailed tutorial will be made soon with our updated tutorial style. If you have any questions or concerns, you can add me on Discord. The username is @Tyron himself, or you can join our support server found in this message over here.